Hi friends, welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about products, installation tips, or other news. I'm Jeremy McClain, Director of Marketing at Osborne. Today, I'd like to introduce you to our newest wood species, Poplar. We're excited to offer this nice fiber wood, as it's a versatile choice and is also a very economical choice. The medium uniform grain of poplar is used in paint projects. It has a rating of 540 on the Jankel hardness scale, making it a sturdy option that's also very easy to work with. Poplar will join over 15 other wood species available at Osborne. We offer alder, beech, black walnut, cherry, hard maple, hickory, knotty pine, mahogany, red oak, rubber wood, rustic alder, soft maple, Spanish cedar, western red cedar, and white oak. Keep in mind that certain wood species are meant to be stained, while others, such as soft maple and now poplar, should be painted. Thanks for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. You can find out more about our wood species, including poplar, at www.osbornewood.com. If you'd like to stay up to date on the latest product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.